This is Molly, first thing in the morning, right next to me. Well, as close as she could possibly be. Good morning, Molly. Mornings. And she's purring away. And she was giving pies to me this morning with not thinking that her claws might actually... Oh, I've got one of her hairs in my eyes, yeah. Her claws might hurt. There she is. The camera makes her look a bit different, but yeah. Ah, listen to that purr. You silly girl, Tins. So her name is Molly, but I call her Tins, and I don't know why. It's kind of just a nickname, and it's stuck. And then we call her Tins mainly, but sometimes Pins or Bins. Just silly. I don't know where it even came from, to be honest. But yeah, mainly Tins. And she loves a fuss. And she's the most calmest cat you'll ever find, I think. Oh, hello, Molly. What's this, Tins? But she's come up here because she wants food. And she just had a bird. I can feel her tiny little nostril breaths on my skin. You silly.